Leek Gears is an engineering company based in the Staffordshire Moorlands with expertise in gear manufacturing and precision machining. Leek Gears have provided a bespoke service for over 100 years, originally as textile engineers and for the last 50 years as gear manufacturers and precision machinists. We offer a comprehensive service from concept through manufacture to after sales. This can include reverse engineering of a customer's original gears, manufacturing to customer drawings, and the complete overhaul of worn gearboxes. Our philosophy of continual improvement means we reinvest back into the business to satisfy the needs of customers from large manufacturers to hobbyist vehicle restorers. Dedicated to delivering quality and value, our skilled workforce can work in a variety of materials to suit your requirements. All work is carefully completed under our ISO 9001-2015 accreditation. The company has established an enviable reputation for its high level of service. We see our mission as giving all our customers the service that they deserve, and if we can be of help, please do not hesitate to contact us.